you watch our website at all, you know that trucks are extremely hot right now. See us go through quite a few of these, especially the nice looking ones that are drivers. And that's what this one is. Nice driver quality, 1971 Chevrolet C10. A lot of good things going for this car. First of all, I should say pickup. First of all, originally a 396 truck. Still retains a 396 underneath the hood. That's paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Was also a factory AC truck. And it still retains factory AC components underneath the hood. I have not had the ability to try to see how well that AC works. It's been cold here. It seems like everything is hooked up and everything is there. I have not had it working personally, but feel free. I'll give you the number a little later. You can give us a call. You can discuss this truck. We'll sure check things out for you. So a 396 paired with a 400 automatic transmission. And then AC, power steering, power brakes also. So very nicely equipped. Obviously you can see it's had a repaint along the way. Beautiful, nice, just fire engine red, bright red color. Paint's in nice shape, riding on some Boyd wheels. God, what a great look to this truck. As you can see, Cheyenne 10 badging on there. Truck's nice and straight up and down the sides. Great look to it. Paint has a nice luster. I mentioned earlier, you can call us. The number, 507-386-1726. Is where you can get a hold of us at. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have on this truck. Or down below in the description of this video, there's a link. Click on it. That'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures, the interior, underside. You can check out the bed, engine bay. Nice tonneau cover on this. There is also a spray and bed liner, black spray and bed liner that is underneath this. Again, you'll see that in the still pictures. Very nice shape. Black interior bench seat truck, shifter on the column, tilt column in it. So very nicely equipped. Like I said, nice friendly driver here. Got some equipment to it. It's got the right look. Have a little fun at roll-ins, cruise-ins in your area, or take this one to your local shows. Nothing to apologize about on this one. So once again, if you want to check out those still pictures, in the description down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. uniqueclassiccars.com is where it's going to take you. Number we can be reached at, 507-386-1726. This particular truck comes from a very good customer of ours. Usually has a nice collection of cars. He'll turn them sometimes, get something new to enjoy for a summer or two, and then do it all over again. So that's where this truck came from, actually out of the northern Iowa area. That's where he is located at. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with the transportation to where you're located at. You see that tonneau cover's in very nice shape too. Fits nice, cross members all there. Truck has a great look to it. I am partial to red though, so that helps. As you can see, door panels, armrest, stereo speakers installed down in the door. Does have a different steering wheel on it, as you can see, and I'm sorry I mentioned tilt earlier. This one did not have tilt. I confused it with a different truck, so apologize for that. But again, you can see the stock looking dash. Seats in it, a cloth and vinyl bench combination. Also very nice shape. Black and red highlighted interior. Has had an aftermarket later model stereo put in there. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear that 396 run. What do we got for gauges? Battery gauge works. Temperature gauge appears to have come up a little bit. I did have it running a little bit ago to check some things out on it. Looks like the oil pressure gauge came up also. Fuel gauge looks like it has also moved. Radio power's up. And again, feel free to call us if you have any questions on any specific stuff. Great sounding truck. Do that. Slip around to the back. You'll hear this thing run. Door closes and fits. Has always something about the rumble of a big block. Let's go up to the front. I'm going to pause this video a second so I can get the hood open. It's probably going to take me both hands on this one. And we'll check out that engine bay and see how that 396 looks in there. Alright, this one is nice and tidy. Like I said, this was originally a 396 truck. Still retains a 396 in it now. I can't confirm that his numbers are original. The power steering, power brakes, was originally an AC truck. Still appears to have all the AC components here. Battery disconnect has been added. Nice, tidy engine bay. Like I said, very clean. Looks good. What you'd expect from this gentleman's truck that had this prior. There you go, 1971 Chevrolet C10. Beautiful original 396 truck. Red in color. Nice little custom job. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Down below this video in the description, click on the link that'll take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can sure assist getting this truck to where you're located at. Definitely look forward to hearing from you on this one.